Welcome to this tutorial on resolving untagged citations in PageMagic. Let's see how to tag citations that weren't automatically recognized. In this example, the highlighted content is a citation that wasn't tagged automatically. We need to insert a bibref group tag around it. Click on the Insert menu at the top. Then, click Tag as Group. A pop-up window appears and the Citations tab will be selected by default. Click on the References tab. The selected text already appears in the title field. Start typing the reference author name in the tag field. A filtered list of matching references appears on the right. Select the matching reference and click Update. The citation now has the appropriate tag linked around it. Refresh the review pane using the Update Review icon. Go to the Reference Citation Missing section. What was previously considered a missing reference is automatically removed now. There are 3 icons alongside each alert: Query, Ignore, and Add to Task. If the alert is valid, click on the Query icon to raise a query. If the alert is invalid, click the Ignore icon X. If follow-up is needed, click the Task icon. This opens the task pane where you can create an associated task and assign it to a person with a priority and a due date. Here is an important tip. If all references are shown in the Reference Citation Missing section, even though they are linked, the ref group tag around the reference block may be missing. To resolve this, insert the group tag and reload the review pane to refresh.